Huawei's budget-friendly Honor sub-brand has released the follow-up to the 6X, its fiercely competitive mid-range offering, the Honor 7X. Now sporting a body constructed entirely of aluminum, the 7X steps up the class factor from its partially plastic predecessor. Adding to this aura is the inclusion of an 18:9, 5.93-inch screen with minimal bezels to match. Throw in dual cameras and Honor's typically quick performance, and you have a lean, mean $200 mid-range machine. But is it enough to knock off more recognizable and similarly equipped competitors? In the box. Honor 7X. Micro USB charging cable and adapter. SIM tool. Design. Metal and glass have become the prevailing choice of materials for most smartphones, and the Honor 7X thankfully joins that trend. Opting for an all-aluminum body, the 7X is encased in either blue, black, or gold metal. Gold isn't available in the US, which makes the back look clean, refined, and sturdy. In back, the aluminum body is interrupted only by antenna lines at the top and bottom, as well as by the center-mounted fingerprint sensor and the dual camera setup in the top left corner. Not much of a camera bump exists, thankfully, though the lenses aren't completely flush, raising about a millimeter from the frame. We're glad the back looks so casual, yet classy, as flipping the device over reveals a similarly handsome face. The tall, 18:9 display housed within minimal bezels serves to further obfuscate this device's entry-level price point.